going to show you how to hard boil and easily peel 60 quail eggs. The egg holder is courtesy of My Shire Farms. Thank you. And then my daughter is going to be making some deviled eggs, and I will be pickling some more eggs just like those you see there. Those have been eaten and are delicious. But it's very important to stir while they're coming up and then boiling, because quail eggs have bigger yolks than regular eggs, which makes it much easier to ruin the egg if you do not, as you'll have a thin egg yolk on the wall, which makes it hard to do anything with. Just getting the eggs to a boil. We'll boil them for 3 minutes and then take them off the heat and let them sit for about 5 minutes. My 3 minutes of boiling is done, so now we got it in a pot covered. We're going to leave it there for a few minutes, and then we're going to go right into cooling it down rapidly with an ice bath and my secret ingredient for making these peel really easy. So, got it over here. I'm going to go ahead and put extremely cold water on it. I'm going to let it run until it overflows. We're going to rapidly cool this eggs off. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get some ice there on them. Let it fill up, and we're going to put some of this baking powder. Some of this baking soda. Baking soda is great, as it will go ahead and make it soften up the shells and makes it easy to peel. I'm going to let it sit. Alright guys, see, the trick with this is you got to let it soak in there. So what's happening is the baking soda is now breaking down the layers on the outside of the egg and soaking in. It doesn't change the flavor, it doesn't affect anything with the inside of your egg, but as you can see, some of these eggs, it's taking some of the brown out of them. That brown coloring, and now they're all starting to look shiny white. Once you start peeling them, you'll be able to tell a huge difference, but you gotta let them soak for a little bit so that baking soda can take effect. So my daughter's peeling some of these eggs with me, and I'm gonna have to show you all the trick. So we're gonna crack it, pinch it right here at the top, right? Take a pair of good clean fingernail clippers with that little rounded edge. Makes it for nice and easy for getting up underneath that edge of that shell. You can take it, slide it to the very back, and just peel it up. It makes it super easy to get that shell off. That shell, and they just start peeling away. It just comes right off. Pop it and peel it. The shell, and they just start peeling away. It just comes right off. So you just pop it and peel it.